Recording.
And
Can you see him? Make sure to keep the camera on him so you can see.
I
There it
see
goes.
him. Okay. There he goes. Oh.
Oh, it's going to be a good one, I think.
Ooh, look at the lights. Ooh, wow. That scared me. That scared me a lot.
I don't know. He's making a big firework, I think. Oh, here it comes, here it comes.
Oh, oh, oh. Woo!
Oh my god, I'm going to have a flashback.
The screen.
The worst firework ever.
That's so bright.
Legal ones, so you know.
Are these illegal?
No, they are legal.
No, we're not going to do any illegal ones on camera.
It's too bright.
Oh god, they're going forever. Let's not do much more of those.
No, don't.
It's terrible.
Yeah, they're terrible.
What do you think, Sophia? You should interview your sister.
So, Sophia? Can't we see?
Oh, more.
Whoa.
It's like a fire.
Well, that's crap. That's wrong.
No, it didn't.
That's wrong. It didn't last long. Oh.
Here it comes, here it comes.
Whoa. Whoa. That looks cool on the screen. Look.
Yeah, it really does.
But it doesn't look cool as real life.
Yeah, so it's some boxes and...
Okay.
Alright,
So,
you might want to pause. I think Papa's gonna... Are you taking a break?
No.
Oh, I thought you were taking...
okay.
Oh, it's a big one. Look, guys, look. Look,
Oh, that's the city's fireworks. Yeah, that's the city.
Whoa, that looks cool on the
You're
camera.
doing that tonight? Oh, Sophie, look.
Yeah, I think we gotta take a break from it, man.
Why don't we go upstairs to our bedroom? We can see it.
Yeah.
Here,
Okay, let's
grab your
go.
baby.
Okay, let's go.
Don't pause there, don't walk with the video.